Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on trending products. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and personal care with a focus on an essential oil that's making waves in the henna community. Get ready to discover why RV Essential Mehendi Oil is hailed as the best essential oil for henna paste available in the market. If you're passionate about traditional Mehendi art or simply love adorning your hands with intricate henna designs, then this product is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Crafted by the reputable brand RV Essential, this Mehendi oil is not your average essential oil. It's a game-changer in the world of henna application. What sets this Mehendi oil apart from the rest? Let's delve into its remarkable qualities. First and foremost, purity is paramount. RV Essential ensures that their Mehendi oil is 100% pure and natural, sourced from high-quality ingredients. Say goodbye to synthetic additives and hello to a product that nourishes your skin while enhancing the richness of your henna color. As you can see, the verdict is clear. RV Essential Mehendi Oil is a game-changer in the world of henna artistry. But that's not all. This product is not only beloved for its quality but also for its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned henna artist or a newbie looking to experiment with Mehendi designs, this oil is your ultimate companion. Its nourishing properties make it suitable for all skin types, ensuring a smooth and seamless application every time. And there you have it, folks. RV Essential Mehendi Oil is the best essential oil for henna paste, delivering purity, quality, and unmatched performance with every drop. Elevate your henna game and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest reviews and expert insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay beautiful.